All right. Today's disc lesson is the refrigerator. Here's the date. Okay. Oh, jeez, what's it? Okay. This way. Oh, I didn't even remember I had this. This is good. But wait. This. Oh, yeah, the sour cream. We're going to need this for tacos. Okay. Never mind. I'll get it out later. Okay. Get my system lined up for later. So I'm all prepared to go through the process for dinner. Why would anybody turn these so that they weren't facing? I just understand a world where things are not in order. Everything should be facing front. There's just no other way. I'm Stacy Mulligan, and that's your disc lesson of the day. Process for dinner. Here. All right. Calm down. Everybody calm down.